Hey crew, Tony here with Jaded Angler. Today is maintenance day on the old pontoon. So what we're going to be doing today after washing it, which I've already done, is we're going to be installing a Bimini top. We're here in Las Vegas and out on Lake Mead. The sun gets blazing hot and I've already had some skin cancer burned off my back. So I don't want any more of that. So this is what we are going to be putting it on. So this is my Pond Prowler 10. Or Quest Angler if you get it from Dick's, it's the same thing. So yeah, we are going to install a Bimini top right here. Hopefully it'll fold down and we'll have some shade for when we're out on the lake. So I got the Bimini top from Amazon. I'll put a link below where to get this. Hopefully it works out. It should. Let's get busy. All right. First step for any project is got to make sure you stay hydrated. Make sure you have some good fluids with you while you do it. Let's cut this box open and see what we have in here. Materials look okay. Got the poles. Got more poles. Zip tie. Cut that bad boy off. All right. Looks nice. Nice. Roll of tape. More poles. Zip ties, more poles. Guess you need a lot of poles. And more poles. And a canopy. Now this comes in several different colors. I chose this color because I figured it's probably going to get sun faded. So I got a beige color, which won't show the sun fade as much, I don't think. So I think that'll work good on that. Got a box of hardware. Oh, nice Ziploc little bags. And a screwdriver. You never have too many screwdrivers. Whenever my wife asks me if I have a screwdriver, I say, nope, fresh out of vodka. She don't think I'm funny. And then we have all the bolts, screws, and nuts. Looks pretty good so far. Oh, wait. And instructions. All right, so you remember when I threw the instructions into the Pond Prowler? Yeah, I was just joking around. I actually do read them, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to read this real quick and then get a game plan together, put it together. It doesn't look that difficult. If I can do it, you can do it. So we'll get her done. All right, so I think this is how the first step goes. The instructions show a little bit different, but there is a difference between in the instructions. If you look, instructions for between a 3 bow and a 4 bow, and I have a 3 bow, so maybe that's the difference, but I think that's right. All right, so the next step was to put the bows in the metal. So there's one in the middle, and then they get tucked up underneath there quite a bit, but so there's one there, so one there, one in the middle, one on the front, so that makes a 3 bow. Let's carry on. All right, so after that step, it was just a matter of clicking the side poles into the bow poles, and there's that. See, looks like pretty much like it's supposed to already. All right, so we got all finished up. It actually went a lot quicker than I thought it would, so I didn't do more step-by-steps. But so the next step was really just figuring out where I wanted to mount the brackets to, and so they just screw right in. I do put a little bit of ring silicone in it in the holes and stuff, but Yeah, it just screws right in all the way around. Actually, it actually turned out pretty good. I think it's going to work out great. So, really simple install. I got this off of Amazon for a little bit over, I think it was a little over $100. But man, it's gonna be a lifesaver out in the sun. I can tell you that. You know, little things need to be buttoned up here and there, but man, it's gonna be sturdy enough, I think. Even with the winds, picking it up, act like a sail. What do you think? Let's try it out. Let's jump on in there. So I have this. This is my casting seat. It's just removable. I can store it right underneath my storage, and then let's see here. Let's jump in this bad boy and see how it fits. Let's see. All right. I like that so far. Oh yeah. This is actually going to be pretty comfortable. I mean, my rod holders. Let me flip this back around. Yeah, so I still have plenty of room here for. I mean, my rod holders are there. They're going to be unobstructed. My casting seat will be in storage underneath, or I'll just put it right there for now. But the pole will be there. And then, if you look, my rod holders back here are unobstructed. And then if I do want to use the casting deck, I can either fold this back or step out there. I mean, this whole thing is just will come right on back, but if I want to, I can just jump on out there and cast off the deck. And I'm totally covered right now from the sun. I mean, I'm going to stretch this out a little bit, but it took me all of about half hour to put together on this thing, and it seems pretty. I mean, sun at least not too chatty. The connectors are quick disconnects, so I can just unbolt it when I put it in the back of the truck. The whole thing just lays right down. Gotta like that.